In order to move an object from one place to other in AutoCAD drawing, you can select Move command, which you'll find on Modify panel of Home tab. So here we have this Move command. Click on this command. Now select your object and press Enter. Next, you need to specify base point, as you can see here on command line. Select the base point from where you want to pick that object, and now click on the destination point where you want to put that object, and the object will be moved. In order to make multiple copies of this object, select Copy command. The shortcut for Copy command is CO. Again, go to that object and click it. Now press Enter. Again, you need to click on this base point, and now click at the destination point, and this command will continue, and you can keep on clicking on the destination points to make this object. You can also specify direction and enter a distance value for making a copy. For example, in this case I am specifying this direction, and I'll enter a distance of 200 units and press Enter, and here we have this circle at a distance of 200 units from this starting point. In order to make multiple copies, you can select Array with Copy command as well. For example, let's say we have a single line and we want to make multiple copies of this line. For that, select Copy and select your object. Now press Enter. Select your base point, and now you'll notice that on command line we have a sub command or a sub option, which is Array. Click on this option and now select number of items in this array. Let's select 20 items because I want to have 20 such lines, and press Enter. So here we have 20 lines. Now you can specify distance between these two lines either dynamically, or you can enter the distance value in your command line. You can also select Fit from this command line, and all the lines will be placed within the limits of your cursor. So right now I'll specify distance with command line. I'll enter a distance of 300 and press Enter. Now all the 20 lines will be adjusted in a distance of 300 units. In this way you can create multiple copies with array in AutoCAD.